Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video I'll show you the 5 best free Defrag software tools for Windows to speed up your PC and improve performance. Now let's get started. Number 1. Open your web browser on your Windows computer and download and install Smart Defrag. Then launch it to optimize file placement for faster startup, which is important because it reduces load times and improves overall responsiveness. Number 2. Search for Defragler, download and install it. This program allows you to defrag either a full drive or selected files for more control over disk optimization. Also help free up space and make file access quicker. Number 3. Oslogix Disk Defrag. It is known for fast and efficient defragmentation with an easy interface suitable for beginners. After installing, run it to perform fast defrags or schedule automatic optimization, which keeps your system running smoothly without manual effort. Number 4 is Disk Speedup. Since this lightweight tool is designed to improve disk performance with minimal system resource usage. After installing, Disk Speedup enable automatic defrag for a set and forget experience, ensuring your computer stays optimized over time. The last, number 5, Wiseare 365. It is an all-in-one system utility that also includes a disk defrag feature among its cleanup tools. Download and install Wiseare 365, then open it and use the disk defrag feature if needed to reorganize files and maintain peak drive performance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech videos.